Hey techies, in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to turn any 16:9 landscape video into a perfect 9:16 vertical format for shorts, reels, or TikTok, all with Filmora 14. First, open your project in Filmora and load up the landscape video you want to convert. Head to the top menu, click on the project settings icon, and check the aspect ratio. If it's not already set to 9:16 portrait, switch it. That's the perfect setting for vertical videos. Now, right-click your video in the timeline and choose Crop to Fit. This instantly fills the vertical frame. From there, you can fine-tune it, pan, zoom, or adjust the position in the preview window. Use the scale slider to zoom in or out until it's framed exactly how you want. To make it stand out, add text, effects, or a blurred background to fill any extra space for a more professional look. Once you're happy with the result, hit export, choose 1080 by 1920 for the resolution, and save it. Now your video is ready to post in crisp, high quality. And that's it. You've just transformed your landscape clip into a vertical masterpiece in minutes. I've left a free download link for Filmora in the description, so grab it and start creating today. And before you go, check out the video in the top right corner for top 5 best free antivirus tools for safe browsing in 2025. See you in the next tutorial.